Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today, the plant we are featuring is one that was introduced to me many years ago and is a staple in the Florida gardens. Well, anybody's got a garden will be able to figure it out. I'll move it back because we just had the AC just hum on there. Well, getting back to my plant. I was told this was called the Sword of Christ. I guess that's a common name, but maybe limited to a certain audience. So right now, the reason it's called the Sword of Christ because this little puppy over here, that needle, very sharp. But this is the young one, so it's not as sharp on these young ones. Not that it will give you a nice thing, but it is a healthy little needle when the plant is much more mature. Now, let's just take you to the back and show you one or two variations of this plant. And right now, whoops, there goes one of my crazy lizards. Let me see, show you over here. Okay, I got little people swimming in the pools next to us, so we'll just mind it a little. Get over here, and there it is. The Sword of Christ. I know, I forget the name. Every time I look at this, I forget the name. My Alzheimer's kicks in. But I have it in here. I have another one over there. And the third and final one is over here. Look how grass, got that grass is about 8 inches tall. We'll have to tackle it this week with my daughter. So there it is. And there's variation number 3. But let me just get over here so I can give you a better see-to of it. There it is in the background. It's fairly hardy, and as you can see to the right of it is a version that I got last year. It snapped off during the storm, and what I did was I basically just took that little plant and popped it in the soil. It was last year, I can't think of it, but it is, let me say, put it this way. It's probably one of the few plants, if you're down in Florida, you really don't need root tone or one of those rooting hormones in order to put it in, because these little puppies have a life all their own. Just give it a nice little soil, pay attention to it, keep it in the sun, and that little puppy will return it by developing some roots, and you've got a plant like that. The only problem was that if you put it on the edge or something, but they tend to grow fast, as you can see in the back there, and you see how they outstretch. So the top goes up there to Never Land. That one in the back is about 10-12 feet tall back there, and they have a tendency to not, they grow very fast, but tendency is the wrong word to use. But they have what they call white flowers, very pretty white flowers. A spat will produce and will come up on top there. And it's more like a seasonal type of thing, if I recall. I think it's a one-time bloom, and that's it. But like I said, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden showing you my Sword of Christ. I will give you the exact common name for the plant, and we'll get back to that one. So thank you for stopping by and sharing a moment in the Dougherty Garden with this crown of thorns. I'll put the proper name in the description when I get inside. Thank you. Stop by, like the video, subscribe to the Marty from Dougherty channel. We love the attention. Thank you. Bye-bye.